So now exercise 1.4, we will be doing question number 7. Now there are 2 gold coins and 4 silver coins in a box. In a box. The other box contains 3 gold and 5 silver coin. One coin is selected from each box. Find the probability that one of the selected coin is gold coin and other is a silver coin. So now let's do this sum. First, let's write there are 2 boxes. So let's say we have 2 boxes. Box 1 and box 2. Now there are 2 gold coins. So 2 gold coins in box 1 and 4 silver in box 1. So total there are 6 coins in box 1. In box 2 there are 3 gold and 5 silver. So total there are 8 coins in box 2 and 6 coins in box 1. Now over here, one coin is selected from each box. यानी दोनों box में से we are selecting one coin. Now, when there are 2 separate box kept separately, तो but obvious है कि ये दोनों independent है, एक दूसरे को affect करते नहीं है. Selecting a coin from each box is an independent event. So let me write this for your knowledge. Selecting coin from each box is an independent event. Now, one coin is selected from each box. We have to find the probability that one of the selected coin is gold and the other is silver. So यहाँ पे क्या ऑप्शंस बन सकते हैं, पहले हमें वो देखना है. ये 2 अलग अलग बॉक्सेस है. Now, number of ways a gold coin and silver coin can be selected are. Now, from box 1, a gold coin and from box 2, a silver coin. Or from box 1, a silver coin and from box 2 a gold coin. Therefore, required probability is, now बॉक्स वन में से एक कॉइन जो सिलेक्ट किया वो गोल्ड कॉइन है, तो टोटल 6 में से एक सिलेक्ट किया, सो 2C1 अपॉन 6C1 एंड है एंड, तो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। बॉक्स 2 में से सिल्वर कॉइन, तो इसमें 5 कॉइन है, 8 में से 5 सिल्वर कॉइन है, तो ये 5 सिल्वर कॉइन में से एक, सो 5C1 अपॉन 8 में से भी एक 8C1 और है तो प्लस। अब बॉक्स 1 में से सिल्वर कॉइन, तो 4 में से एक, सो 4C1 अपॉन 6C1 into from box 2 gold coin, so 3C1 upon 8C1, which is equal to 2 by 6 into 5 by 8 plus 4 by 6 into 3 by 8, which is equal to 5 2s are 10, 6 8s are 48, plus 4 3s are 12, 6 8s are 48, which is equal to 22 by 48, which is equal to 11 by 24. Answer. Now question number 8. One joint family has 3 sons and 2 daughters, whereas one joint family has 3 sons and 2 daughters, whereas other joint family has 2 sons and 4 daughters. One joint family is selected from 2 families. Important. यानी पहले हमने 2 फैमिली में से एक फैमिली सिलेक्ट किया and a child is randomly selected from the family. We have to find the probability that the child selected is a girl. So first of all, let's write what is given. So I will say family A, family B. Family A and family B. Family में, the A में, there are 3 sons and 2 daughters. And family B में, there are 2 sons and 4 daughters. So total there are 5 kids and here there are 6 kids. But over here, the question is different from the previous question. Now over here, the question was, ध्यान देना please, वन कॉइन इज सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम ईच बॉक्स। ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले बॉक्स सिलेक्ट करो और फिर उसमें से एक सिलेक्ट करो और प्रोबेबिलिटी फाइंड करो। तो यर फैमिली ए एंड फैमिली बी, इन दोनों में से एक फैमिली सिलेक्ट करना है। नाउ ऑब्वियसली व्हेनेवर वन जॉइंट फैमिली इज सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम 2 जॉइंट फैमिली, लेट्स फाइंड फर्स्ट द प्रोबेबिलिटी that a family, a joint family, okay, ये family है, वो joint family है, so let me write joint, okay, तभी इतने सारे बच्चे हैं। So probability that a joint family is selected from two joint family is 1/2. हाफ इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी बिकॉज दो फैमिली है उसमें से एक सिलेक्ट करना है तो विच इज 1/2. ना यानी क्या चांस है कि कोई फैमिली सिलेक्ट होगा तो चांसेस आर इक्वल सो इट इज 1/2. So probability that a joint family is selected from two joint family, one joint family selected from two joint family is half. Both are equiprobable event. दोनों का equal chance है because they are selected randomly. Now a child is selected from the family. We have to find the probability that the child selected is a girl. So a child selected from a joint family is a girl is. Now what we can write, family A select hua, so we can say girl child is from family A, obviously joint family A, or girl child is from joint family B. Now, what is the probability of first selecting family A? So it is 1/2. गर्ल चाइल्ड तो फैमिली ए में गर्ल चाइल्ड यानी 2 डॉटर, सो 2 में से एक, सो और 5 में से एक, सो 2/5 और है तो प्लस अगेन फैमिली बी सिलेक्ट होने का प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 1/2 और उसमें से गर्ल चाइल्ड यानी 4 में 4 गर्ल्स आउट ऑफ 6 मेंबर्स, so 4C1/6C1 which is equal to your 2 cancel, 2 twos are, so it is 1/5 plus 2/6, 1/3 which is equal to 3 cross multiply 3, 5, 8/15 answer. 8/15 answer. Any doubt, anyone? All of you understood how these two questions are different? Box और family दोनों सम का difference पता चला सबको? Okay, now next one. Question number 9. Again 9 and 10 are related to each other. Question number 9. Okay, now there are 10 ice cream cones in a box, of which 3 cones weight less than the specification and the rest of the 7 cones have specified weight. 2 cones are randomly selected one by one with replacement. अंडरलाइन करेंगे या हाईलाइट करेंगे यहाँ पे, 2 cones are randomly selected one by one with replacement. One by one with replacement. Find the probability that both the cones selected weigh less than the specified weight. Now, for example, you go to buy a cone. ओके ये जो कोन है उसका एक स्पेसिफाइड वेट होता है, से फॉर एग्जांपल 50 ग्राम. तो यहाँ पे हम 10 आइसक्रीम कोन सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उसमें से 3 ऐसे हैं जिसका वेट स्पेसिफाइड वेट से कम है. सो लेट मी फर्स्ट राइट इट ओवर योर. 10 cones are there. उसमें से 3 have weight less than specification and 7 cones have weight as per specification. This is the first thing we will do is we will understand the question कि 10 कोन है, 3 का वेट कम है और 7 as per specification है. Now here we have to select 2 cones are randomly selected one by one with the replacement. So first let's write number of outcomes when 2 cones out of 10 cones are selected one by one. Here it is with replacement. With replacement का मतलब क्या है? 1 by 1 with replacement का मतलब है कि एक सिलेक्ट किया फिर उसको हमने वापस रख दिया, तो चांसेस है कि वो फिर से सिलेक्ट हो सकता है. is n, so n is equal to पहले 10 कोण में से एक, उसके बाद जो सेकेंड सिलेक्ट करेंगे क्योंकि विथ रिप्लेसमेंट है तो पहला जो सिलेक्ट किया था वो हमने वापस रख दिया, तो अगेन हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो वापस 10 कोण में से एक सिलेक्ट होगा, which is 10 into 10 which is equal to 100. Now, what? Now we have to find the probability that both the cones selected. So we can take it as an event. Event A denote that both cones have weight less than specified. So over here, m is equal to now अब जो कोण है, अब जो कोण है उसमें 3 कोण ऐसे हैं जो इसका वेट लेस देन स्पेसिफाइड है, तो हमें ये 3 में से पहले एक सिलेक्ट करना है, उसके बाद ये जो सिलेक्ट किया उसको हम वापस रख देंगे, तो वापस जो सिलेक्शन होगा वो भी इस 3 में से ही होगा. सो 3c1 into 3c1 which is 3 into 3 which is equal to 9. Therefore, probability of A is equal to m upon n, which is equal to 9 by 100. Answer. All of you understood? Should I proceed with the next one now? Any doubt? Okay. Now, question number 10. There are 10 CDs in a CD rack. in which 6 are action films CD and 4 are drama film CD. Two CDs are randomly selected one by one, are randomly selected one by one without replacement from this box. So यहाँ पे one by one we have selected without replacement. ध्यान देना इस वर्ड पे, without replacement from this box. Find the probability that the first selected CD is of action film and the second CD is of drama film. Now, इसको तुम डायरेक्टली भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो और तुम स्टेप वाइज भी जा सकते हो. तो नाउ वी कैन गो स्टेप वाइज कि लेट्स टेक इवेंट ए डिनोट दैट CD selected is of action film. Now यहाँ पे because it is one by one without replacement means पहला जो तुम select करोगे तो यहाँ पे end क्या होगा कि 10 में से तुम एक select करोगे. जो एक बार select हो गया तो वापस हमारे रैक में जाएगा नहीं. सो यहाँ पे n इज इक्वल टू 10. n इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, कितने एक्शन फिल्म के सीडी है 6. सो 6C1 which is equal to 6. Therefore P of A is equal to M upon N which is 6 by 10 which is 3 by 5. Now we go to event B. CD selected is of drama film. Now the second CD what we are selecting, तो यहाँ पे n क्या हो जाएगा, अब हम 10 में से एक सिलेक्ट हमने ऑलरेडी कर दिया, उसको साइड में रख दिया, तो अब हमारे पास रह गई कितनी CD 9. So 9 में से एक which is equal to 9. M is the number of outcomes favorable to occurrence of event B. कितनी ड्रामा फिल्म्स है 4. So 4 में से एक which is equal to 4. So therefore probability of B is equal to M upon N which is equal to 4 by 9. We can't solve it further. So now what we have to find, therefore probability that first selected CD is action and second selected is drama. Now both are independent events. So therefore probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B, which is equal to probability of A is 3 by 5 into 4 by 9. So which is 3 4s are 12 by 45. Now this is one way of doing it. Other way of doing it is directly you can take n is what, पहले 10C1 दूसरा 9C1 which is equal to 90. M is equal to what, 6 में से एक 4 में से एक which is equal to 24. So probability is 24 by 90 which is 12 by 45. We can further solve it. 3 4s are 3 15s are which is 4 by 50. So this can also be solved like this, and this can also be solved event wise. Please do it. Okay, now let's go to question number 11. It's a very easy one. Okay, you can also do it on your own. Now, if two balanced dice are thrown, then find the probability that at least one die show number 5. यानी दोनों में से कोई भी एक में नंबर 5 आना चाहिए. एंड सेकेंड, द फर्स्ट डाई शो द नंबर 5 और 6, यानी पहला जो डाइस है वो 5 या 6 दिखाएगा, एंड अदर शुड शो एन इवन नंबर. तो नाउ लेट्स फर्स्ट राइट सैंपल स्पेस. Let me change the color. Sample space U is equal to I comma j, where I is equal to j is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore number of outcomes n is equal to 36. I'm sure now you know what are the outcomes: 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 up to last 6, 6. So there are 36 outcomes. Now let's take for first event A, denote that at least one die show number 5. So A is equal to, now directly we can do this. A is equal to 1 dice show number 5. So we go with 1 5, then 2 5, then 3 5, then 4 5, then 5 5, then 5 1, then 5 2, then 5 3, then 5 4, then 5 5 तो ऑलरेडी कर दिया है हमने. ओके, 5 6, and then 6 5. काउंट कर लो, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So there are total 11 outcomes. So m is equal to 11. So probability of A is equal to m upon n, which is 11 by 36. This is the first answer. Now second, event B denote first die show number 5 or 6, and other die show an even number. Now we can go for extremely lengthy method, but rather than that, we can directly do this when we know already what are the outcomes. So first die में let's take 5. So 5 fix कर देते हैं. Even number, so 5 1 नहीं आ सकता है, 5 2, then 5 4, then 5 6. Okay, 5 5 भी नहीं आ सकता because पहला 5 और दूसरा इवन। अब 6 पे आ जाओ, 6 को फिक्स कर दो, तो 6 2 6 4 and then 6 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So m is equal to 6. Therefore, probability of B is equal to m upon n, which is 6 by 36 or 1 by 6. Question number 12. A problem in mathematics is given to Tanya, Kathan, and Kirti to solve. The probabilities of them solving the problem correctly are 2 by 3, 3 by 4, and 1 by 2 respectively. Now, find the probability that the problem is correctly solved. Now प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना है, तीन लोग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं। वो तीन लोग हैं तानिया, कथन और कीर्ति। अब प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होना चाहिए, यानी आइदर तानिया सॉल्व्स और कथन सॉल्व्स और कीर्ति सॉल्व्स और दोनों और तीनों में से कोई दो या तीनों। So here we will use either A or B or C or A and B or B and C or A and C or all of the three. So here we will use law of addition of probability, because at least one person has to solve the problem to get one person has to solve the problem so that the problem is solved correctly. So let's start writing. Now, probability, start writing. Probability that Tanya solves the problem is equal to P of A, which is equal to 2 by 3. This is already given. Probability that Kathan solves the problem is equal to P of B, which is equal to 3 by 4. And then probability that Kirti solves the problem is equal to P of C, which is equal to 1 by 2. So now the probability that the problem is solved is probability of A union B union C, which is either A or B or C. So over here we will say event A, event B and event C are independent events. So keeping this in mind, P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection C minus P of A in P of B intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Now, because they are independent events, तो जहाँ intersection है वहाँ पे हम multiply करेंगे. So P of A is 2/3 plus 3/4 plus 1/2 minus, I write in the bracket 2/3 into 3/4 minus 2/3 into 1/2 minus 3/4 into 1/2 plus 2/3 into 3/4 into 1/2, which is equal to, here let's keep it as it is and first solve this. 2/3 plus 3/4 plus 1/2 minus 3 cancel, 2's are, so minus 1/2, 2 cancel, minus 1/3. Now here we can't cancel anything, so minus 3/8, interesting, plus 3 into 2 into 1, here also we can cancel them, 1/4. Now what is the LCM? So 8 3's are 24, 24 we take as the LCM. So 3 8's are 8 2's are 16 plus 4 6's are 6 3's are 18 plus 2 12's are 12 1's are 12 minus 2 12's are minus 3 8's are minus 8 3's are, so 3 3's are 9 plus 6 4's are 24 upon 24, which is equal to, calculated, 12 12 becomes 0, 18 minus 8 is 10, minus 9 is 1, so 6 and 7, 6 plus 17 is 23/24. Answer. There is other way also to solve it, okay, using complement of A and B and C. Okay, you can use that as well. But I wanted you to practice this equation, and that is why I've gone for this method. Now, question number 13. Again, it's a very simple question. A person A can hit the target in 3 out of 5. So probability क्या है कि 5 बार attempt करेगा तो 3 बार target hit होगा. So that is 3/5. Whereas person B can hit the target in, I need to mention over here रह गया, into 5 out of 6. 6 attempts, तो उसका chance क्या है कि 6 बार ट्राई करता है तो 5 बार हिट होता है. इफ बोथ ऑफ देम अटेम्प्ट साइमल्टेनियसली, find the probability that the target is hit. हमें क्या चाहिए कि टारगेट हिट होना चाहिए. एक ही टारगेट है, ए भी ट्राई कर रहा है, बी भी ट्राई कर रहा है, तो या ए हिट कर देगा या बी हिट कर देगा या दोनों हिट कर देंगे. So here again we will use P of A union B. Again we will say that A और B दोनों independent events है. So first let's write event A is that A hits the target. So P of A is equal to 3 by 5. This is already given. Event B is that B hits the target. So P of B is 5 by 6. This is also given. Then event A and event B are independent events. A and B both hit the target is equal to P of A intersection B, which is equal to P of A into P of B, which is equal to 3 by 5 into 5 by 6. 5 cancel, 3 2s are, so 1 by 2. Therefore, probability that the target is hit is P of A union B, which is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, which is equal to 3 by 5 plus 5 by 6 minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 6 5s are 30. We can take as LCM. So 6 3s are 18, 5 5s are 25 minus 15 upon 30, which is equal to 28 by 30. So 25 minus 15 is 10 plus 18, so which is equal to 14 by 15. Answer. Now, question number 14. It's an interesting one. Person A speaks truth in 90% case, whereas person B speaks truth in 80% cases. Find the probability that person A and B are different in stating the same fact. Now, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर ए कुछ कहता है तो बी उसका उल्टा कहता है, बी कुछ कहता है तो ए उसका उल्टा कहता है. तो यहां पे फर्स्ट लेट्स राइट व्हाट इज गिवन. इवेंट ए इज ए स्पीक्स ट्रुथ. Probability of A is given 90%. So 90 by 100, or we take 9 by 10. This is given in the question. Event B, B speaks truth. Probability of B is equal to 80%, so which is 8 by 10, which is 4 by 5. This is also given. Now, A and B both speak truth is equal to probability of A intersection B. A and B are independent events. Therefore, P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B, which is equal to 9 by 10 into 8 by 10. 8 nines are 72 by 100, which is equal to 436, and 18 by 25. So now we have A, we have B, we have A intersection B. Alternatively, you can also find out P of A complement, which is 1 by 10, and P of B complement, which is 1 minus 4 by 5, which is 1 by 5. Now, let's proceed. Probability that A and B state different facts. That is, A speaks truth, B does not, or B speaks truth, A does not. So here we will use difference event. So probability of A minus B plus probability of B minus A, which is equal to, either you can do it this way, probability of A intersection B complement plus probability of B intersection A complement. So one way of doing it is this way, which is equal to A is what? 9 by 10, and B complement is 1 by 5. 9 by 10 into 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5 into 1 by 10. 4 by 5 into 1 by 10, which is equal to 9 upon 50 plus 4 upon 50, which is 13 upon 50. Or we can also solve it this way, P of A minus P of A intersection B plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, which is equal to P of A is 9 by 10 minus 18 by 25 P of B 4 by 5, or we can take 8 by 10 minus 18 by 25. We can solve this. So इसका LCM आ जाएगा 250. 9 into 25 is 225 minus 180 plus 8 into 25 is 200 minus 180 by 250, which is equal to 45 plus 20 by 250, which is equal to 65 by 250, which is 5 13s are and 5 50s are 30 by 50. Answer. So you can do either ways. Okay, I've done both the ways for you. Please note it down.